how 1/3 of the world population are living in deep affliction, where people cannot experience love, and they are looking for this. So, looking at all of this to say that love is actually needed, and it may sound like a cliche, but it's not a cliche. It's actually not a cliche. Love is actually needed to restore and start by us, trust and to humanity, to build the future, but also to allow compassion to come in, that we can be a catalyst of change. This question will not come up there, but I want to mention it by looking at this picture of 2 to 3 billion people. And maybe 1 or 2 persons may feel that they are also afflicted in this way of what they're facing. And the reflective question they want to put down: what does it mean for you, for me, to be a window of God's mercy in a hurting world?